Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
Looking for the best rice cookers under $100 on Amazon? Here are the top picks for perfect, hassle-free cooking. Affordable, efficient, and packed with features. Let's find your ideal rice cooker. Number 1. Toshiba 3-Cup Digital Programmable Rice Cooker. Toshiba 3-Cup Digital Programmable Rice Cooker, highlighting its compact design, suitable for small kitchens or individuals. They demonstrate the user-friendly LED display and intuitive controls, making it easy to select from the 8 pre-programmed settings, including options for white rice, brown rice, porridge, and even cake baking. The host emphasizes the cooker's fuzzy logic technology, which adjusts temperature and cooking time for optimal results. They proceed to cook white rice, showcasing the simple process: measuring the rice, rinsing it, adding water up to the marked line, and selecting the appropriate program. Once cooking is complete, the host points out the automatic keep warm function, ensuring the rice stays at the perfect temperature until served. The demonstration concludes with a look at the non-stick inner pot, highlighting its ease of cleaning, and a tasting of the perfectly cooked, fluffy rice. Number 2. Instant Pot Dew Plus. Instant Pot Dew 7-in-1 Pressure Cooker, highlighting its versatility as a multi-cooker that combines functions like pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, and warming. They demonstrate the user-friendly control panel and intuitive interface, making it easy to select from the various cooking programs. The host emphasizes the safety features, including the lid locking mechanism and overheat protection, ensuring safe and reliable operation. They proceed to cook a meal, showcasing the simple process: adding ingredients, selecting the appropriate program, and starting the cooking cycle. Once cooking is complete, the host points out the automatic keep warm function, ensuring the meal stays at the perfect temperature until served. The demonstration concludes with a tasting of the delicious, perfectly cooked dish, highlighting the Instant Pot Dew as a convenient and efficient addition to any kitchen. Number 3. CUCKOO CRP-P0609 S6-Cup Pressure Rice Cooker. CUCKOO CR0675 F6-Cup Micom Rice Cooker, highlighting its versatility and user-friendly features. They begin by showcasing the sleek design and compact size, suitable for various kitchen spaces. The host demonstrates the intuitive digital control panel, which offers multiple cooking functions beyond rice, including options for porridge, slow cooking, and steaming. They emphasize the fuzzy logic technology, which automatically adjusts cooking parameters to ensure optimal results. During the demonstration, the host prepares a batch of white rice, illustrating the straightforward process: measuring the rice, rinsing it, adding the appropriate water level, and selecting the desired cooking function. Once cooking is complete, they highlight the automatic keep warm feature, ensuring the rice remains at an ideal serving temperature. The session concludes with a tasting, showcasing the rice's perfect texture and fluffiness, and a reminder of the easy-to-clean non-stick inner pot, making the CUCKOO CR0675F a convenient and efficient addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Instant Pot 20-Cup Rice and Grain Multi-Cooker. Instant Pot 20-Cup Rice and Grain Multi-Cooker, highlighting its carb-reducing technology, which helps lower carbohydrates in rice without affecting its taste or texture. They walk viewers through the intuitive digital interface, demonstrating how easy it is to select different cooking programs for various grains, including white rice, brown rice, and quinoa. The cooking process is simple: measure and rinse the rice, add the appropriate amount of water, and choose the desired setting. As the cooking begins, the host explains how the even heating technology ensures perfect, fluffy results every time. Once done, the built-in keep warm function keeps the rice at an ideal serving temperature. Finally, they showcase the non-stick, easy-to-clean inner pot and emphasize the cooker's convenience for busy kitchens. Number 1. COSORI 10-Cup Rice Cooker. The COSORI 10-Cup Rice Cooker is a versatile and high-tech kitchen appliance designed to make cooking rice and grains effortless. Featuring 18 cooking functions, it allows you to prepare a variety of dishes, from white and brown rice to quinoa, oatmeal, and even slow-cooked meals. The smart fuzzy logic technology automatically adjusts time and temperature for perfectly cooked grains every time. With its stainless steel design, LED touch control panel, and non-stick inner pot, this rice cooker ensures durability, ease of use, and quick cleaning. Whether you're meal prepping or cooking for a family, the COSORI rice cooker is a reliable addition to any kitchen, simplifying your cooking experience with just a touch of a button.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.